Welcome to Sikho.ai. Introducing Ethical Animal Research, Science, Policy, and Next-Gen Alternatives. This intensive intermediate course provides a comprehensive exploration of animal testing, delving into its historical context, complex ethical debates, scientific methodologies, and the rapidly evolving landscape of non-animal alternatives and regulatory frameworks. Learn to critically evaluate current practices and understand the future of humane scientific inquiry. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, Historical Context and Ethical Foundations. Module 2, Scientific Principles and Regulatory Frameworks. Module 3, Advanced Alternatives and Future Trajectories. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.